Join us as we give you a tour of cabin 9193 aboard the Utopia of the Seas. Your room is also going to have a cooler, but keep in mind it's not an actual refrigerator. So if you have something that needs to stay consistently below 42 degrees, make sure to ask your room attendant so they can deliver you a medical fridge. Then right over here, we have this very nice, relaxing reading nook that overlooks Central Park. You're going to find some additional charging ports as well as a lamp next to the bed. The lamp is really important because it's disconnected from the main on and off switch that is located by the main door. There's plenty of storage options in this cabin. As you can see, there's a safe, there's shelves, and a hanging area, as well as 2 drawers on the bottom. The next closet is going to be one large hanging area, which is nice for the longer dresses. Now we do put a suitcase at the bottom as a trick to put our dirty clothes in as soon as we dirty them. And then here is going to be the bathroom. You do get a 3-in-1 body wash shampoo that comes with the stateroom. This room has the ability to be booked as a connecting room. So after you get on board, you're going to let your room attendant know to have the manager come and unlock the connecting door. And it will remain unlocked for the duration of your trip. It will shut if you want to close it, but it will not lock.